No matter where you are in life, whether you're just graduating from college or high school, in your late 20s, ending a career path that you thought you liked, it does not matter. Your dream life is closer to you than you think. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am Brianna of the Simply Brianna B brand, and if you want to get your life together and be a step above everybody else, then this is the channel for you. So the first thing I want you to do is to take a step outside of the box, release all of your limitations, and just think big. Think as big as you can. Things that you feel like are so far-fetched, things that you feel like it'll be so hard to attain these things, but things that you want to achieve in your life. If you want to make $65 million, if you want to own 100 properties, if you want to make an innovative change in the world that literally changes the whole world, let your imagination go wild and see what ideas you come up with for goals that you have. No matter how big these goals are, there are very easy and simple ways to get there. So the first thing you should do after identifying your long-term goals is to go straight to TikTok and YouTube. This is going to give you a lot of inspiration and life hacks for getting to where you want to be. If I was on TikTok sooner, or if I looked up certain things on YouTube sooner, I would probably be much farther in my career in my dream life. Think about the skills that you'll need for these long-term goals. And now they even have like full free courses on YouTube that will teach you everything you need to know about that career or about that skill. But the most important thing for this is just to have fun. And that's why I said in number one is to let your imagination go wild, because you can literally monetize anything. You can make a career out of anything. So align your career with whatever those long-term goals are. If you want to make $65 million, then go to TikTok and look up how to make money easily. There's an unimaginable amount of videos on how to make more money, and a lot of it in the simplest ways, especially online, and especially in the year 2023. It's like mind-blowing. Now, when you go on TikTok and YouTube and you find these ideas and inspiration, look at the ones that are the most enjoyable for you. What will spark your fire? What will make you the most excited? And once you discover that, you go full throttle with taking those steps. Because no matter what you're doing, if you're having fun doing it, then it's just gonna feel effortless, and that's gonna get you to your dream life even faster. The next step is to surround yourself with people who have the same mindset as you or similar mindsets as you. There are so many Facebook groups and Discord servers that will help you with this. It doesn't have to be in person. It doesn't have to be people that you know. Social media allows us to connect with people all over the world in wherever, and they're doing the same things as us, and they have the same goals as us, and they can even help us get to the next step. There is a reason why entrepreneurs connect with each other, why they go to the same conferences, why they go to the same events. They surround themselves with people who are like them, and that gets them to their next step in more ways than one. And then you create friend groups and you create more customers, and it's just all around positive for you. It's all around beneficial for everybody. Last tip for today is creating a plan for your finances. And I know this can be a little bit daunting if you're in a low place, or if you are in a place where you don't know what to do as far as increasing your finances, but that goes back to the TikTok and the YouTube ideas that I had. Once you find a way to monetize your interests, you have to have a plan for your finances, and you have to have ways to make that grow and make that continue. Do y'all know how much free money is out here? How many grants? There are millions and billions of dollars of grants that they have to give away to people. And all you have to do is find them and apply for them. Start an LLC, get your DUNS number, and go on grants.gov and look for all of the opportunities that are there for everybody. Also, there's ways to use business credit to get loans and just give yourself a jump start. So there's not just one way of getting money. It doesn't have to be you work a 9-to-5 and you save up money for 2 years and do it that way. No, you can go online, apply for 60 grants get 10 of them or even less, because there's grants for $700,000, $250,000. So you can do it like that. You can do it any way that you choose, but make sure that it's the best way for you. Everybody has a different way of doing things. So once you create a plan for your finances, that's gonna make it 10 times more easy for you to take the next steps. And it's gonna allow you to remain responsible in your whole journey. You don't wanna get to a certain level and not know what to do with what you have. But the most important thing that brings all of these together and keeps all of these tips going is to stay positive. Change your perspective, take the lessons where you need to learn them, and stay positive no matter what. There's times where you're gonna feel discouraged and you're gonna feel down and you're gonna feel like you don't know what to do next, but that's when you get your inspiration. I get so much inspiration from just the videos that I watch every day. And it's not like, I don't scroll on Instagram and I don't scroll on Facebook, because that's not where the positive things are for me. Where I scroll is on YouTube and Pinterest, because that's where I get so many ideas, so many motivational quotes and everything. Like, I surround and saturate my mind with the things that will get me further ahead. And that's what keeps me on track, and knowing that these things are actually possible, regardless of how big the goals are. So keep that in mind, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video for more. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.